Hello Oduas, I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we are going to explain about very interesting topics, that is company or brand based color and theme configuration. So if you have multiple company and you are managing different like sections, then to identify what in which current company you are working and your personalized theme for each company. So based on that we can configure the colors and fonts, color, background color, etc. So for that we have very useful application provided by the OCA, Odoo Community Association, which builds free open source applications useful for the Odoo. So this is the application web company color. You can find from the Odoo App Store. Let's say this is the link you can find from the Odoo App Store, and this one is the official Odoo OCA link. So you can download application from here. And I have currently Odoo Enterprise 18, and I have this application. Let me install and see how this application is useful. We will see in the both enterprise and community. So I just installed the application successfully. Let's say right now how to configure the colors based on company. So I will go to the company, and here this is the my company San Francisco is current company. So in the current company, let me configure the colors. So here is the button. So here is the button to fetch the colors from your logo, current logo, right? And also you can manually set the color. So this is navbar background color. So navbar is this one. If you open this, this is navigation bar. So we will set the color for this company. Let's say if I go here, and this color I will, let's say I will set this color for navigation background color. And navigation bar background color hover, it means when you move your cursor here, then which color you want to see. So let's say we'll set a bit dark, and then navbar text color. So this is black something here, so we will set white. And then button background color. So here you can see this kind of this send message here. Then this is Odoo Enterprise color. But let's say we will set our custom color button background hover color. So let's say we will set this dark one on hover. And then the button text color, it means let's say we will set white. And link text color, so let's say we'll set this one. And link text color hover, then let's say we will set white. And if we save, and you can see how it looks, right? If I go here to any apps, let's say on sales, you can see all these how these colors are visible here. If I create a new quotation, you can see this links. You can see here when I click, I mouse, I move the mouse, then in hover how the colors. And here this is all these sections how it looks, you can see, right? can see how this application is very useful to set color based on the company. You can see here how it looks, right? Navigation bar, then everywhere it will apply, right? So let's say now if we go to the another company, this Chicago, and I will set different color. Let's say I will set this let's say orange something, this color, and on this is dark a bit, then navigation bar text color, this one white, and button background color, this one, and on hover this dark we can set, button text color will set this one by default, and link text color, this is let's say link text hover color, it's white something, and if we save, and let's say my current company is San Francisco, let me switch to Chicago, and you can see how it looks here. Let's say if I set this color, here a button text color, maybe you can see so this is how you can like configure based on your need. You can check how it uh, work when it like store the color, where color coming when you set these different colors, right? So you can see here how this application is useful. You can see, right? If I go to the context, you can see how this colors looks. Also if we go to the settings, you can see, right? So this is we set up in the Odoo Enterprise. Now let's say we will check in the Odoo community how it works. Okay, so I just started Odoo community, right? And let's say if I go to apps and activate the developer mode, update app list, and if I check this app and click here, so you can see, right? So it's installed, right? Now if I go to the settings, companies, and here the San Francisco companies, and then let me set the color, right? And let's say for this, let's say if I set a bit dark color, Navbar text color, it's white, button background color, and then button background over color, right? Button text color, link text color, let's say I switch to this company. Okay, so you can see here, maybe here button, let's say how it works. So this is we configured on this company. If I go to the, okay, so I just installed some apps so you can understand, right? So this is let's say this uh, context application, and if I go to sales, then you can see how it works. You can see how these colors are changed if I search here, right? And then let's say if we go to this company, and let's see if we can change for the San Francisco, let's say the different color, and if I save, right, this San Francisco, and this is Chicago, right? Let's say for the Chicago we haven't set, but let's say if we set this kind of color, right? So if I switch to San Francisco, then so this is working in the community also. So I hope this video will helpful to you. Thank you very much.